In this tutorial, I will teach you 4 ways you can be a leader to others in your life. Leadership is the ability to inspire others, to set them in motion, to set an environment that motivates them. Leadership can be exercised by anyone, regardless of hierarchical position. Set an example. The leader must lead by example and not just say what needs to be done. If you want people to respect you and be inspired by you, act in a way that shows respect toward them. It can be as simple as to be on time for appointments and meetings. The way you treat others sets the tone for the relationship you want to build with them. Setting an example for the leader is a matter of dignity, respect for others and yourself, and a sense of responsibility. By setting an example, you empower others to be inspired by you, and automatically, you become a form of leader to them, a person they look up to for tips. Don't lose sight of humility. It is common to hear that the leader must be strong, and this does not preclude humility. Instead of being counterproductive, as many people think, humility is a strength that commands respect and trust of your team and your customers. Acknowledge your mistakes. You are not a superhero, and no one is perfect. Being aware of this invites you to focus on what needs to be improved and projects you into solutions that become self-fulfilling prophecies. Being humble also means that you know you are good at something, but you don't feel the need to convince others of it. When you are humble, you have a better chance of connecting with people around you. They will see you for who you are without feeling like you are not accessible or too good for them. Be a team player. There is no I in team or leader. Another asset to become a leader is a sense of responsibility and autonomy. A good leader never does everything alone. He or she understands that it is much better in groups and working together. By recognizing that others have skills and knowledge that can contribute to the greater good, you automatically place yourself in a position where others will respect you for your appreciation of who they are. Don't be afraid to recognize others and ask for help. Nurture connections. To become a leader, you have to work to create connections with others. You have to know others and appreciate them. It is showing people that you are not a manipulator, but that you care about others and that they can trust you. When you want others to trust you, you have to trust them first. Genuinely demonstrate to people that they are safe with you. It has to be natural, and it has to come from the bottom of your heart. Establishing connections means going towards people. It means talking with them about everything and nothing. It means giving them time and energy. It also means listening to them and getting to understand them. Nurturing connections signify that you are not the leader, but that you are like them, and that your greatest wish is that they succeed in life. Be available for people when they need you. By practicing those 4 suggestions, you will earn your place as a leader for people who see you as an inspiration to live their lives in ways that is more fulfilling and inspiring. These suggestions will also help you reach a position of leadership if that is what you hope to do in your career.